Draw a Venn diagram to depict teachers, doctors, and models. Let us start by drawing a circle for the teachers. Before drawing the circle for doctors, ask yourself 3 questions. Are all teachers doctors? We know that all teachers are not doctors. So the circle for the doctors won't be inside the circle for teachers. Likewise, we can rule out the possibility of the teachers being inside the circle for doctors. Next, can a teacher not be a doctor? It is wrong to say that a teacher cannot be a doctor or vice versa. So we can rule out the possibility of 2 independent circles also. Lastly, we know that some teachers can be doctors. And we also know that some doctors can be teachers also. So we are left with the possibility of 2 intersecting circles. This is the circle for the doctors. By reasoning the same way, we can conclude that the circle for models will also be an intersecting circle, and it will intersect both the circles for the teachers and for the doctors. And this is the completed Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram for women, men, and models. We can start by drawing 2 independent circles for men and women. Now we know that some women are in the modeling profession. So the circle for models will cut the circle for women. Similarly, we can conclude that the circle for models will cut the circle for men also. This is how the 3 circles will be arranged. The models will cut women also and they'll cut men also. But women and men will be independent circles. Draw a Venn diagram for criminals, robbers, and judges. We know that all robbers are criminals. So the circle for robbers will be contained inside the circle for the criminals. Again, we know that criminal cannot be a judge. Nor can a judge be a criminal. The circle for the judges will be an independent circle. And this is the completed Venn diagram.